What's up, guys? Today on the daily update, I'm gonna be showing the work done on the Yerf Dog. Got the reverse shift all set. We also have the tabs for the seat belts. They came out actually pretty good. Three on the top, and on the back, so you gotta put the gas tank, battery base for the battery, and also I'm gonna put a little box for the wires of the engine. I like to hide them always. And I got an extra chain tensioner. This is very good. Why? Because usually has one on the center alone, and sometimes they break as through time as the engine makes pressure in it. It bends. It even breaks the swing arms. That's why I got this swing arm that it's in one piece on the bottom, and then they got these two pieces. It makes it easier to work on the engine because everything is accessible. So tomorrow we put the gas tank,